Hi, welcome back to my channel, and we are back with the makeup tutorials. Hi, my name is Margot, for those of you who don't know me. Today, we're gonna get together. We're gonna get ready together to go out. So yeah, today I'm trying to do like a pop of color on the eyes. Well, I want to focus on the lower lash line, so just stay with me and see what this look turns out to be. With no further ado, let's get right into the video.
Today, I will be using this moisturizer, so I'll just put it on my face and let that sit in for a minute or so. Then, I'll go with my trusty under eye cream.
After prepping my skin and letting that sit down for, I think it was a minute or so, I'm gonna go right into my foundation. And today I'm gonna use my Real Technique sponge to help me blend everything out. Oh, wait! I forgot to put my primer, my optical illusion. Yes, sorry. Then I'm gonna put my optical illusion primer.
And I will just quickly fill in my eyebrows with my Anastasia pomade.
Now let's get into the foundation. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna put some on my beauty blender and put it all over my face. I just stained my shirt. Oh, my dress. Oh, this is so sad. Okay, and my beauty sponge just fell. Wait a second. I'll be back. I'm back. Please don't mind the stain in my dress. I tried to clean it up, and yeah. So let's just continue blending. Sorry. I think it actually seems kind of okay, but anyways, I'll just go into my infallible foundation to make everything more even. So I'll do the same. I'll put it on the other side of this cap and just grab it with my beauty sponge. Look the difference, like this color and my usual infallible foundation. So I think it's there's a pretty big difference. So I use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer I use it as a base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go into sorry, today I'm dropping too many stuff.
I'll put concealer under my eyes, below my cheekbones, on my chin, my cupid's bow, and my forehead.
Let's get right into the eyeshadow. To set my what can you call it? What did I say before? Sorry, I can't get the word. My eyeshadow base. I'm gonna use this color from my CARLI BYBEL palette, just to set everything. I've decided I want to first go in with this. This is my Morphe palette. Sorry, with this pinky shade. It isn't turning out as pink in camera, but I mean, it's pink. Believe me when I say it's pink. It's actually a pretty light pink, so I'm gonna focus it on the outer V. And afterwards, I'm just gonna start to blend it in circular motions. I'm not sure. I mean, you can definitely see something right there. I mean, right there. I think I need to put a little bit more. Another tip, if you want your eyeshadow to pop like more color, you could spray like some of your mist spray. This is my Mario Badowski facial spray, so I do that. Or you can just you can dip your little brush in a little bit of water or your Fix Plus or whatever you have, and it will look. You see that? It brings more pigment out of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go with a brown shade in my CARLI BYBEL. This one right here, to give it a little more depth, because I think the pink it didn't give it that much depth. So I'm going back with my brown. Next, I'm not sure what I want to do. Okay, I think It's because I really want to put like a pop of color on my lower lash line. So I guess I'll just use, I think I'll put a basic shimmer. This gold shimmer. This one. Well, I will probably mix this kind of rosy. I'm not sure. I feel like the camera is not picking up the color, but this rosy shimmer with this golden, and see what comes out. I'm just gonna go again with the brush that I use, and I'm just gonna blend everything. I'm not sure what color I want to use on my lower lash line. I'm scared. Okay, this will define the moment of truth. Okay, before I go on, I'll just put some Vaseline on my lips. I think this is a pretty like kind of rosy look, but I mean, I want that pop of color on my lower lash line. I need it. So while I figure that out, I'll just start to bronze. I'll just go ahead and use my HOOLA bronzer to bronze. And yeah, and this fluffy brush, I mean, well, it's not a fluffy brush, this fan brush to carve my cheekbones. I've been loving this brush. I mean, since I got it, I can't put it down because I don't know, I think it's the best way to get the perfect contour. Use this brush. I think it's a Target brush because I think, look, it picks up more product. So I'll just do that. Kind of big. I like gorgeous. And guys, this is a finished look. Thank you for watching. Please. I'm just kidding. The tutorial isn't over. So yeah, let's start with the pop of color in the lower lash line. I don't know what color to choose. I mean, it's because this is like way too neutral, I would say. I mean, there isn't a lot of color, but I mean, oh! Can you see that? I got like a bunch of powder on my dress. I'm gonna grab this brush. It's a More Us Pro Makeup Crease. It says it's for the crease, but I mean, I'm gonna use it for my lower lash line. And I'm gonna use the pink shade. Yes. I'm gonna use this bright pink shade because I think, like I said before, everything is pretty neutral. I first wanted to use the blue, but I mean, I already have blue and I don't think it's gonna pop that much. So yeah, I'm gonna grab that pink and work it in, baby. Work it. I'm not sure how much I'm loving this look, but I mean, it's different. I'll go with it. So yeah, I'll be right back with my mascara on. I am back. I went ahead and put some mascara, and I lined my waterline with this Sonia Kashuk eyeliner, and yeah, I'm gonna go for a soft, I would say a basic eyeliner, just a straight line. So yeah. Oh, and I'm using this Daily Plus Intense eyeliner. I actually bought this in Spain because I didn't take an eyeliner, and I was like, oh, I'll try it out. So yeah, I mean, it's not as black as I would like to. Like you do need to like go over it if you want like a darker black, but I mean, it does the job. I did my eyeliner. I know they're not exactly the same, but I mean, they look alike. I mean, they're pretty close. Since I'm going for this pinky look, kind of pinky, I would say, I'm gonna go right into this pink. I don't know why the camera isn't picking it up, but this is a pinky shade. And I'll just go with this right here to highlight. Yes, highlight, yes. Yes, girl, highlight makes everything better.
I will also put that pinky shade below the arch of my eyebrows to give it a little bit of highlight.
So I'm gonna use that same shade and put it right here. Can you see that? I mean, wow, that is stunning. So next, we have lips. I'm gonna use this Milani lip cream, and after putting the Milani lip cream, I'm just gonna put this CoverGirl lip gloss in color 700. I like to put it right here in the center. And do you see that? Wow, that looks gorgeous. Look, can you see that shine? Oh, I'm loving it. For the last step, I'm just gonna mist my face. Just let that sit in so everything melts in together. So yeah, this is the look for the video. I hope you like the look. I mean, I'm in love with that pop of color in the lower lash line. I think I'm gonna do more looks with that because I think it gives it a little boost. So yeah, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for those of you who come back and watch my videos. So, oh yeah, I have an announcement. Next week, I won't be uploading because it's Holy Week. I hope all of you have a wonderful Easter and enjoy it with all your family. With no further ado, see you until the next video. Bye and happy Easter.